Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is, what is it, Tuesday, August 17th. Got a little bit of a break from the kiddos again. The other grandparents are here spending time with them, so we get a little bit of a break, which I miss them though. I miss my kiddos. But it's not too bad. I don't think it's supposed to get to 88 today. I probably should have wore long sleeve shirts and pants, but I didn't. Probably not going to go that far. On the Spyder today. Really been watching a lot of Ravaco photos and videos. Man, I really like those things. You sit so low in like a bucket seat, and there's a passenger seat behind you up higher to look over your head. It's really cool though. They got like a 4-cylinder Mitsubishi motor in the back. They're really cool looking. You either love them or hate them. I really like them, but there's no more dealers. There's no dealers around here. The closest dealer's in Houston. So I'm not going to get one anyway. I can't spend the money on that kind of stuff now. But they will take trades. Take both of these in. My wife would kill me. It's pretty nice out. When the sun goes down, it's a lot cooler. Whoa, guy hopped the curb. Bye. Well, hello, hello there, YouTube. I turned my GoPro on again. I'm going to show you. This is like Highway 66, and back there, the road just cracks and drops off, and it'll throw you off the side of the road. I haven't seen it. I just turned it on. Every time I don't have it on, you can see the crack. And the speed limit is 65 and 70, and the road just drops off. And now I'm turning my GoPro on, I won't find it. Yeah, I don't think it will up here so much because it's in town.